Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called X-Men Lore, which is for 255 points. At the point of solving, it has about 194 solves and it is from the RITSEC CTF Capture the Flag competition. So let's get into the description first. The 90s X-Men animated series is better than the movies. Change my mind. Here we have two hints, but we'll not be looking at those, and we have a URL to the challenge. Now this looks a simple boilerplate, nothing fancy. But if you see or explore the source code, HTML source code, you'll see that as soon as you click on either of them, a request will be sent to X-Men with a cookie to with a different cookie on each button. So for instance, let's take this and this one and the above one. So you have D4 at the end and you have XQ plus at the end. So let's see what happens. So what is expected is we click on each or either of the button and you'll see a different cookie being sent for each one of those. So let's just send it to repeater and you'll see that you move to Jean Grey. So what if I send this? So you can see that there is the Jean Grey word or string is being reflected. Now you'll see that the endpoint is same for all of those, so we can't modify those. So sorry, we'll not be tampering with that. What was different in our case was the cookie that was being sent. So let's just try to see what this is. This looks like base64 encoded, so let's just try to base64 decode it. Okay, let's try, and we see that this is an XML request that is being sent from the cookie, and you will see that Jean is being mentioned here, Jean Grey. So let's just try to play with it. The first one is Beast. So can we send the request to Beast? So this is the part is called inspector, and I really like this part. So I definitely think that you should try this out. It comes in Burp Suite. The latest version I think is 2023, and you'll see this a lot. It'll help you a lot when you're trying to pen test. So as you can see, our word has changed to Beast and everything else in it. So let's just try XML. Sorry, XXE, payload, all the things. So this is my go-to tool. What we can try is we can simply look for, at this point of time we know that XXE might exist or exists. So let's just try to read any file from it. Let's just, okay, we've scrolled a little too much, so let's just copy from here to here and let's just select this, and you'll see in the right hand corner that this comes, and let's just decode it to base64. Let's append after this the doc type, and our doc type says that if you find this file, you can call it with the help of test, and if I apply changes and I click send, you'll see that we get the etc password file. Now at this point of time, the problem is, where do you find the flag? Now there are a couple of things that you can try to do. You can reach out to var www html flag.txt, or what you can see is you can try to look up users. For instance, the user here is home user, so what you can try to do is you can use home user, and you can go to you can read the flag.txt if it exists, or you can try flag. But what I'll be doing here is, because I have already solved this challenge, so what I'll be doing here is, after some hit and trial, I found out that the flag is in the root directory, and all you have to do is just type in flag, apply changes, and you will get the flag. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.